Today I will show you this new website that I have discovered from one of the channel. Some people are saying this channel is paying real money. This is the channel, so let me open it for you. This is the website. It's called Taskverse. This is the platform. I have signed it up just right now, but I'm still waiting for the new job coming. As you can see here, new tasks will be available really soon. So let me open some other videos for you to.
Okay, you guys, so the company I want to talk about today is a company called Taskverse. Now, Taskverse is a global tech-enabled BPO services company that outsources talent. So a little bit of further detail about that is that they provide outsourced digital services and next-generation customer experience for the world's most innovative companies. So what I want to do, you guys, is go ahead and hop right onto their website, show you guys their website, show you guys how to apply for some of their positions, and then in just a minute, I'm going to show you guys that opportunity to make that $35 in just 30 minutes. And I'm also going to show you guys how I did it as well. Okay, so first things first, you guys, what I want to show you on their website here is who they employ and in what countries, because I know I get a lot of comments regarding other countries other than the USA. So they do employ people in Colombia, Mexico, India, United States, Croatia, Japan, Philippines, Greece, Malaysia, and Taiwan. And as you guys can see, I'm on their webpage. You can check out all of the amazing information about this company, like all of the company benefits. Here they are, such as healthcare for employees and dependents, life insurance, paid time off, birthday leave, engagement and experience rewards, along with rewards that are specific to your geographic location. And then if you want to learn more about their full-time positions that are remote and work from home, you can check out their website that shows you just about any and everything that you guys may need to know about what the hiring process is like, all of the positions they have open. They have some really amazing things on their website. Now I want to go ahead and jump into the second part of their company, and it's called Taskverse. Now Taskverse does have an app that you will use in order to complete some tasks with their company. However, if you want to sign up online, you can do that as well. As you all can see here, I used their website just to go ahead and sign up initially. When you're signing up, you're going to have to provide basic information like your name, email address, and then you're going to have a PayPal in order to get paid. So if you don't have a PayPal, you're going to need to sign up with PayPal in order to get paid with this company, because once you complete those tasks for them on their website, they will pay you payout via PayPal. Now, once on their website, it's going to look a little bit like this. You're going to have your dashboard and you're going to have tasks that are assigned to you. Specifically though, you guys, I want to point out this task that they have available right now that's paying people $35 in 30 minutes. So I want to go over this task with you guys, show you guys how I completed it and how you guys can quickly go ahead and get signed up with this task so you guys can earn that money. Now, the name of the task that they have available right now that I'm talking about is called Train a Voice Assistant, Record Short Phrases and Earn. So in this task, you'll be recording 100 short sentences containing 5 to 20 words each. So once you click on it, you're going to see here it's got all of the information about the task. So this is a data collection type of task. The reward is $35. You must record indoors in a quiet environment. Recordings must be done using the Taskverse mobile app. The task can take up to 120 minutes, you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and go over that with you guys here in just a minute and how long it takes me to do it, and then how will I get paid. Your submission will go through 2 stages of quality review. An automated review followed by a manual review by a quality specialist. This is going to be to ensure that you're providing a quality sample to them in order for them to approve it. And then once it's approved between Monday and Friday, your payment will be processed on Thursday of the following week. Participants must be 18 years or over, and then for this specific task, you guys, that I'm talking about, you must live in the USA except for residents of Illinois, Texas, or Washington. So I do apologize if you're in those 3 states for this specific task. you cannot participate, but other tasks that Taskverse has, you may be able to participate. Okay, so here I am with my phone. I'm on Taskverse app, and I also am going to show you guys split screen what I'm doing on my phone. If you guys can see here, I am on Taskverse, and it is asking me in this specific task that I mentioned, please agree to launch the task. So I'm just scrolling down. I've read, understood, and agreed to the terms and conditions above. And next, agreement. It says you will need to complete the following 2 short sections. A short survey. The survey contains questions about your language learning experience, residence, and other questions to help us understand you and your language learning history better. Record 100 short sentences. And under this one, it says you will be recording short commands and requests as if you were speaking to a voice assistant. For this task, the voice assistant is called Meta. Imagine that Meta is a new voice assistant on your phone and read the sentences as if you were getting help from your assistant. You will need to record 100 short sentences using the voice recording app in the recording section on the next page. You will be shown each sentence to record on the screen. Simply press record. Read exactly what's on the screen out loud, then stop your recording. Before you submit, make sure you play back your recording and listen to it to check your sound quality. If you hear background noise in your audio clip, we encourage you to re-record. If all sounds good, press submit and move on to the next recording. Once you get the hang of it, the task should go by quick. Remember, you must be indoors in a quiet place, speak naturally, play back and listen to each recording before you submit. If you make a mistake, stop recording and re-record. If you hear some background noise during your playback, we encourage you to re-record it. When you are using your Taskverse mobile application, it may prompt you for permission to allow you to use your microphone. You need to allow it to enable recording your voice. Okay, I got that. Survey question, which of the following describes the neighborhood where you currently live? In which state do you currently live? At what age did you learn to speak English? I'm going to just put 1. What language is spoken most frequently in your house? English. How many years have you lived in the United States? 4+. What is the highest level of education you've completed? What is the most accurate description of where you are recording? Home with not much noise. Are you wearing a mask? No. Which category best describes your yearly household income? Then I'm just going to select next. Allow Taskverse to use your microphone. So you're going to want to press allow. Record keeping a regular voice tone roughly 8 inches away from the microphone. So I'm going to start recording. Look, Meta, answer call. Look, Meta, answer call. Look, Meta, ask Jennifer if she's bringing her daughter. Look, Meta, ask Jennifer if she's bringing her daughter. Okay, so in total that took me 28 minutes to complete the entire thing. Now, as you guys can see, it is in review. I will keep you guys updated on how long it takes to actually get paid. In the meantime, I do want to mention here a channel called The Road to Retire. His channel, he has also done this and he has posted payment proof of getting paid. Additionally, in his comments, they're stating, yes, people have tried this and have gotten paid. They've also given the exact timeline it took to receive the payment for this.
Alright guys, so as I have told you that I just signed up right now, so I'm still waiting for the new tasks for me to start working with them. So in case if you really want to try, I have left the link in my description below there. You can sign up and give it a try. I'm sure you will be able to succeed. And if you like this tutorial, please let me know something in the comment below. Thank you very much.